Sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man.